randomly from Sweden, and I'm joined today by Papa.
Yes.
And he's looking cooked as ever. And today, Papa, we are going to do something special. You know, there's a lot different cases in CS.
Yes.
The coolest type of case, I think, has to be the weapon cases. Now, there are a lot of different weapon cases, and today we are going to be opening all of them. We have 300 weapon cases today, starting with the more common ones, moving all the way up to the CSGO weapon case 1. Because nowadays, cases aren't called weapon case anymore. I don't know why, they just changed the name. So all of these cases are gonna be old. So starting off, Papa, winter offensive case. Let's hope we get the Asimov or a knife.
Yeah.
Also, Papa, wait. There's a glitch in the Matrix, a glitch in the combo over.
Yeah.
These are super old, Papa, and I've opened up the 0.18 float Asimov, so this case, it really sits close to heart, and of course, we have a chance to get the $2-3 million karambit.
We could go. What?
We could goon? What the fuck? Have some hair gel.
Better?
You look such sweaty pedophile. Bam! Winter offensive weapon case. The first weapon case that we're opening today, Papa. Ah! Oh, you look like the truck stop hooker strangler.
Yeah, don't...
Yeah, I don't.
I
Don't.
never strangle anyone.
Ah! Oh! That's pretty good, Papa. I'm not gonna lie. This one could actually be, like, expensive because it's from an old case. 30 euro. That's okay. Me walking up to women in real life. Pussy pattern. You have pussy pattern. You have pussy. Oh! Pussy pattern!
Asian hairstyle.
Yeah. Kim Jong-un. Me on Tinder. You got pussy pattern.
But you're on Grinder.
You got penis pattern. Then we're talking Huntsman case hardened, Papa. There's penis pattern.
Oh.
Pussy pattern. 2 winter offensive cases left, Papa. This shit's not looking good on paper. Oh, what happened to the camera? Pussy pattern! Ah! Locked in versus geeked out. The last winter offensive case. Here, you get the honor. You get the honor. You open.
Oh!
Pussy pattern! Now we're moving on to the Operation Vanguard case. Wasteland Rebel, Papa. Float capped skin. Pretty cool. What do you think?
Nice.
Whoop him!
Hey, for anomaly.
No, Amogus! Me opening cases. UMP delusion.
Yeah.
Why do you laugh when I didn't even say my punchline? Papa is way too much of a dick rider. He laughs at the joke even before the punchline. Slay a joke, Papa.
2 tomatoes walk across the street.
Pussy pattern! I got a headache now. Oh, pattern 69. Wham! Oh, you saw how fast that was. I'm like the US Navy SEALs of case opening. US Navy whales. Tranquility? Well worn. Okay. 9 euro. Wait, Papa, let me help you with your hair a little bit. Oh, look, Grinder. This is where I am.
Yeah.
Papa, we only have 1 case left. This not looking good on paper. Vanguard case is an L. I'm not gonna lie. Unless we get something good here. We didn't. Next case, Papa. Phoenix. Oi, Papa, you know what that means. Op Asimov. Now, Papa, these cases are very expensive. In total, I think it costs like $3,000, all these cases. Give us a gold. Give us a case hardened blue gem. Otrigon. Become a human typhoon. Become a human typhoon, Papa.
Yeah.
Become a human typhoon. You're so red now. Peanut track. 8 euro. Please, man. Like, we haven't even gotten a red line. Oh my god. We are cooked, Papa, as the kids would say. So far, not looking great. I'm not gonna lie, Papa. Now, however, we have the Operation Breakout weapon case. This one contains the butterfly knife. Butterfly fade, it's like several thousand, like 4, 5, 6,000. So here, we're really hoping for the gold, Papa.
Yeah.
P90 Asimov just flew by. These cases, by the way, Papa, with the key included, over $10 each. Oh, stat track. No way. Well worn. Not even half a case and key together. The price of these pinks are just going down and down and down. I don't understand what's happening. How can the pinks from this case be so cheap when the golds are so expensive? Ah! Wapam.
Where's your usual luck?
Gone.
Yeah.
There is no usual luck, unfortunately. There never was. Every video of my knife unboxes have been edited. I actually never even opened a knife. Butterfly knife. Butterfly knife. Please, butterfly knife. But oh my god, yes! Oh my god, Papa, butterfly knife! Oh no, Urban Mask, it's not great, Papa! No fucking way! Yes, Papa! We did it! No way! This has to be field tested. Minimal wear! Papa, this is gonna be not that expensive.
No, 35 euro.
But at least it's a butterfly.
Yeah.
1,600 euro.
Jesus.
This is a pretty fucking expensive knife. It's Urban Masked, sadly, but butterfly knife, extremely expensive. I was gonna guess $1,300. In real cash, it's 960 bucks. You can make a clean ass combo. This one and like some white gloves. Oh my god, that's clean. Fuck, I have to open the rest now. Papa?
Yeah.
Back-to-back knife. One knife is 1 in 390. Two knives back-to-back. I think it's around 1 in 150, 160,000 chance.
Oh, okay.
Click it, Papa.
Babo.
Oh my, you fat fingered it! Or once in a lifetime chance of back to... Oh yes! Cyrex M4! That's the good red in this case, Papa.
Yeah.
But it's cooked. This has to be field tested or maybe even well worn. Field tested, Papa. 35 euro, that's pretty cheap for... This is actually pretty good value for money if you need a good M4 skin.
Yeah.
Foreskin. And the last Breakout case. Let's see what we get. So far, Breakout case has by far been the best weapon case.
Yes.
Okay, well, that's it.
I guess that's it.
Next up, Papa, we have a few Huntsmen. This is the second weapon case where you can get only one type of knife.
Nice.
You have Huntsman.
And
And
the Vulcan.
very expensive. And do you know the Easter egg?
Yeah. No.
This case actually had the howl in it before it was changed. Whoopam! Oh, tatter. Tyck då. Ja, hela munnen full med kiss. Men jävla gubbe! Like, kolla kameran! Whoopam! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so bad! No! No, no, no! What the fuck? Battle scored full 207 euro! Holy shit! We're already on with the next case. CSGO Weapon Case 3, Papa. Whapam. You see, it's only pistols. Like, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Dual Berettas. Ay, ay, ay. Ooh. This skin looks very good in CS2. Look, it looked nothing like this in CSGO. Here, it looks like it's actually made of gold. This is one of my favorite 5.7s because of it. CC Victoria! This is cheap though, Papa. 7 euro, you see? It's very cheap for a red. But, hey, it's pretty cool.
Yes.
Hey, Undertow, Papa! This is gonna be worth more than the Victoria. 38 euro. These old cases, they kinda hitting hard, Papa, just like you when I was a kid.
Yes.
Wait, oh nay! I just opened a weapon case 1 by mistake. Papa, this was $100 case.
Oh.
Now, Papa, weapon case 2. We've traveled all the way back to very long ago, like 10 years, more than 10 years ago. You do the honors.
Boom.
Oh, 494. That's not close to one of the best of blue gems. Unlucky. Oh my god. Holy shit. Elvis Presley before a concert. Homo Goblin. Oh, Star Trek Homo Goblin.
Oh.
That's pretty good. Oh, Star Trek Blood Tiger. 25 euro. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh, fuck! What? This is actually pretty good. 3, 2, 1. Dude, this is so close. Just that tippy top. This is considered a rank 2 blue gem.
Is that good?
No. So the normal cash price is $8. The price of this one is $160.
Jeez.
Holy shit. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's really good. You thought I was gonna hit you. You know what? The last CSGO weapon case 2, Papa.
Yep.
Let's see what we get. Oh, shit. No way. Cold-blooded factory new, Papa. Let's go. This has to be like 50 euro. 61 euro. Yeah, Papa. Now, Papa,
Yep.
these cases are basically $100 each. The first case, we did get an SG Ultraviolet, Papa. And that's 33 euro, even though it's just a normal blue. Please, Papa. Oh, no. Yeah, if it's field tested, it's the worst item in the case. Weapon case 1, I love you, man. Just give me something good. Please, a purple, I'm so happy. No! Come on, please. Oh. Okay, me when I'm constipated.
Yeah.
Please. And Papa, the last CSGO weapon case. Are you ready? Wham! Whoa! Okay, at least a purple.
Yeah.
At least a purple. This one trades up to an AK case hardened. So this is actually a useful skin. 103 euro, you see?
Wow.
So this one basically plus minus 0. That was actually every single weapon case in CS. And that was a sick unboxing. That's a good ass case opening. High five, Papa.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go cry because that butterfly could have been a fade, I'm not gonna lie, and then it would have been like 4 or 5 grand. Bam! Geek